This is the extended version of my crystal meditation, which will allow you a bit more time to connect with your crystal and receive a message. This guided meditation will help you connect with the energy of any crystal that you have. Meditating with crystals is one of the most effective ways of working with them, and I still think it's underused by a lot of people. The meditation you are about to do is very powerful. The visualization came to me intuitively while working with crystals around 15 years ago. I wasn't taught it and nobody told me about it. I didn't read about it, but I did hear not too long ago that there is a similar meditation being taught by someone else and within the crystal community, but I did not learn it from them. In fact, this tells me that we are all tuning into the same thing, and that crystals are probably the original teachers of the meditation. So what I'm going to be sharing with you today is my version of this visualization. Hi, if you're new, my name is Ethan Lazzarini, and I'm the author of 3 crystal healing books, including the book Crystal Grid's Power. Before we begin, don't worry, I've put a timestamp in the description so you can jump straight to the meditation next time you listen to this track. Start by choosing a crystal that you want to connect with and make sure you have cleansed it before you do this meditation. You might want to put your phone on silent or do not disturb mode so that you are not disturbed while you do this meditation. You can also find a comfortable place to sit, and if you want, you can use a chair and try to have your feet touching the ground if you do use a chair. We will start by setting a clear intention. So repeat after me the following words. You can say these out loud or you can say them in your head. I allow this meditation to deeply connect me with my crystal through my higher self. I will only receive what I need at this time for my highest and greatest good. Just sit and hold your crystal in your hands. Start by really looking at your stone. Hold your crystal close to you and study it. Look at the shape and form of your crystal. Turn it around in your hands. What is the texture like? The color? Different color variations? Is it smooth or rough? What about different angles? Notice any patterns or markings your crystal has. Does light pass through it? Can you see anything inside your crystal? Hold your crystal in your hands, resting in your lap now. Close your eyes. Start by taking some deep breaths. Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out, releasing any worries or negative energy. Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out, releasing any stress or old energy from the day. Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out, releasing any energy that no longer serves you. Beautiful. Now we will begin with grounding, connecting you with the earth, where your crystal came from. Visualize yourself as a big tree, like an oak tree. Your roots grow down into the earth beneath you. See them grow deeper and deeper through the layers of rock and stone, down, down, down into the earth, into the crystal realms and the mineral kingdom. You can see smoky quartz, red jasper, hematite. Your roots can easily pass through the crystals, deep inside the earth, down towards the center of the earth, where they wrap around the earth's iron core crystal. This is the heart of Gaia, or Mother Earth. You can see this as a crystal sphere, a cluster, or a faceted crystal. Now bring your awareness and attention back to your physical body. With your eyes remaining closed, bring your focus back to your crystal now in your hands. Set your intention to make a connection. Through your mind's eye, see your crystal now. Visualize its shape, its color, any markings or important features of your crystal. Allow yourself to connect more deeply with your crystal. See your crystal expand in size beyond your hands. It grows bigger and bigger, like a hologram that completely surrounds you now, surrounding your body, an aura. You find yourself inside the crystal. You are safe and secure. You are one with your crystal. From this place of union, allow the energy of your crystal to merge with your aura. See your aura being the same color as your crystal. Continue to relax as you breathe in this energy into your body. How does it feel? Tune into your crystal and ask your crystal to show you anything you need to know about your crystal or about yourself. Just be open to any impressions or feelings that you get. Notice any changes in your own energy, your own chakras. Do you see any colors, symbols? You could even get a word or a message here. If not, that's fine too. Don't worry, as everything is okay in the moment. Some crystals work on a subtle level. Just relax and be open. I'll give you some time now to allow this to happen. Now just thank your crystal for this connection. Become aware of your breathing now. Gently bring your attention back to your physical body. Bring your awareness to your legs and your feet. And remember those roots that extend down into the earth and the center of the earth. Gently open your eyes again. Notice your surroundings and give yourself a few moments to adjust before doing anything else. I hope you found the entering the crystal meditation to be helpful. I'd love to hear from you and about your experiences in the comments below. Also, if you found this meditation to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with anybody you think may benefit from it. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more crystal meditations, guides and tips. And check out my books for more in-depth information on crystals and crystal healing.